It is estimated that global waste generation will grow by 70%, significantly increasing pollution if proper management of these materials is not carried out. In addition, as indicated by the United Nations Environment Program, UNEP, humanity produces more than 2 billion tons of municipal solid waste each year, of which 45% is not managed in controlled facilities. Recycling materials is one of the solutions to this crisis, but so far there are insufficient economic incentives for this activity to take place formally, especially in developing countries. That is why Global Zero Waste and Circarbono have teamed up to develop a voluntary program on circular economy, VPCE. What is the voluntary program on circular economy? It is a certification program that facilitates and guarantees to individual companies and the general public the registration of programs or projects on circular economy materials (PCM), emission certification, and the registration of circular economy credits (CEC). In that sense, the program is a financial support instrument for the general recovery of products and materials along the value chain with which circular economy credits are marketed that finance environmental services of reduction and recirculation. Its purpose extends to the elimination of waste and pollution, the extension of the useful life of products and materials, and the regeneration of natural systems. What are circular economy credits? These are international financing mechanisms equivalent to the reduction or recirculation of 1 metric ton of materials. These credits can be purchased by organizations or consumers who want to offset their material footprint and promote the development of circular economy programs or projects. Who can be certified in the program? The VPCE is aimed at programs or projects on circular economy materials that meet the requirements defined in the protocol and procedures documents. Some of these requirements include 1. That the project is aligned to the principles and requirements of the VPCE. 2. That it includes the activities and identifies the materials in accordance with the VPCE protocol. 3. That it meets the additionality criteria according to the selected methodology. 4. That it maintains a process for measuring, recording, and monitoring activities and materials. 5. That the PCM contributes to the fulfillment of the Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs). Once the certifier has reviewed the documentation issued by the VVB in the validation and verification events, the issuance of credits is generated. What are the benefits of certification in the program? 1. Increase and enhance material reduction and recirculation projects. 2. Promote the optimization of materials in the biological and technological cycle. 3. Contribute to the fulfillment of the Sustainable Development Goals. 4. Promote a friendly, efficient, and effective environment for the interaction of the actors involved. 5. Ensure transparency in the exchange and integration of data in the international market for circular economy credits. How they can be certified. The stages of the voluntary circular economy certification cycle are: formulation. At this stage, the initial project documents, location, PDD, special power of attorney, SDG tool, and supporting documents are reviewed, and it is verified that the project developer or project holder does have a signed contract with the VPCE. Public consultation. Once the formulation is approved, the public consultation of the PCM starts on the Circarbono website, which remains available for 30 calendar days. Validation. The VVB performs the review of the validation documents, PDD, validation calculations, supporting documents, among others, and compliance with requirements for approval. Verification. The VVB performs the review of the verification documents, verification calculations, monitoring report, SDG tool and its evidence, supporting documents, among others, and the fulfillment of requirements for the start of certification. Certification consists of the review of compliance with requirements for the certification of the reduction or recirculation of materials reported during the verified period and issuance of circular economy credits. Following the certification process, credits are traded. Validation and verification processes can be carried out jointly by a VVB. This depends on the needs of the program or project. Where programs or projects are registered, the VPCE uses EcoRegistry as its PCM registration platform. EcoRegistry is a blockchain-based platform that ensures transparency in the accounting of the voluntary materials circularity market and security and traceability in the management of information related to material reduction or recirculation initiatives. If the project is registered in another standard, it is possible to switch to VPCE? Yes, it is possible, in which case the holder or developer must withdraw from the source standard or program and continue its material reduction or recirculation activities under the VPCE certification guidelines. In addition, the form Declaration of Migration from other standards or certification programs to the VPCE, available at www.circarbono.com, must be completed.
Join us and let's redefine together the path towards a sustainable production and consumption model committed to the environment. Find out how you can be part of the voluntary program on circular economy at www.circarbono.com.